You crushed that client meeting today. So why does your wife say you never listen? Here's the communication skill they never taught you in business school, and it's costing you at home. At work, listening means finding solutions. Client has a problem, you fix it. That's why they pay you. But here's what nobody told you. The listening skill that makes you successful at work actually backfires at home. When your wife shares something, your brain immediately jumps into problem-solving mode. You interrupt with solutions, you offer advice, you try to fix it, because that's what good leaders do, right? Wrong. At home, she doesn't need a consultant. She needs a partner who hears her. Here's the technique: reflective listening. It's simple but powerful. When she talks, your only job is to mirror back what you heard. That's it. She says, "I'm so overwhelmed with everything." You say, "Sounds like you're feeling really overwhelmed right now." No advice, no solutions, just acknowledgement. Here's why it works. When you reflect, you prove you're actually hearing her words and emotions. She feels validated. And here's the bonus. Once she feels heard, she'll often solve her own problem or actually ask for your advice. Try this tonight. When she shares something, bite your tongue on the solution. Instead, just reflect back what she said. Use phrases like, "That sounds really frustrating," or, "I hear you saying you're stressed about this." Watch what happens. She'll relax. She'll open up more. And ironically, she'll start valuing your advice again, because now she knows you actually listen first. This one shift transforms everything. Want to master this skill? Check the link below for my free guide on stopping the fix-it habit and becoming the listener your marriage needs. What communication challenge are you facing at home? Drop it in the comments.